Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So today's video is about how to treat infection, how to treat that stubborn infection. No matter how long you have been having that infection, this simple remedy is very, very effective. It is very, very effective. If you try this simple remedy, you get rid of that infection. Maybe you have been treating it, then after some times it will still come back. This one, it will help you a lot. So all you need to do is to watch this video till the end so that you learn how to go about it and how to treat that stubborn infection. And also, if you are just seeing me for the first time, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It is completely free, and turn on your post notification bell so whenever I upload a new video you get to be notified. So the first thing you'll be needing is African basil scent leaf. The first thing you'll be needing is scent leaf. In Africa, this scent leaf is used to prepare a lot of delicacy, or is always added to a lot of things we prepare, like pepper soup, yam porridge, pepper soup yam, and also a lot of things. You can even use it to make sauce and eat it with white yam or white rice. Yeah, it is very, very good. So the first thing you'll be needing is scent leaf. Yeah, and the second thing you'll be needing is your garlic. The second thing you'll be needing is garlic. Your garlic, you can use the foreign garlic, and you can use our African garlic. Any garlic you have available, you can use it. Yeah. And the third thing you'll be needing is your ginger. Get your ginger. Yeah, get your ginger, get your garlic, and also get your scent leaf. This is the three things you'll be needing. This is the three things you'll be needing: your ginger, your garlic, and your scent leaf. It is good for treatment of infection, both for male and female. If you're a man, you need to start taking this. You know, sometimes weak erection is caused by infection and a lot of sugary things. So if you're a man, you need to treat infection as well, and also you need to stop the intake of sugary things. Yeah, if you're a man, you need to reduce the intake of sugary things, and you also need to treat infection. Then you can take any natural rape, you can take any natural remedy for weak erection. You see the improvement. Yeah, if you're a man or if you're a lady, you can take this simple combo. There is no side effect. You can take this simple combo. This scent leaf is edible, garlic is edible, ginger is also good for the health. We will not go into the benefits of garlic and the benefit of ginger, so our video will not be too long. So if you're a man, you need to start taking this simple remedy no matter how old you are. Yes, start taking this, and also reduce the intake of sugar. It will help you, it will help improve your ability on the other room. So how you go about it is that get your scent leaf. If you get your scent leaf, the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to wash it thoroughly. Wash your scent leaf very well. Yeah, wash your scent leaf very well, and remember to take it moderately, and take once and notice. It's not everybody that are used to all these things. So if you have any side effects, or you notice any changes in your body, discontinue it, please. But if it's good for you, you share the testimony. It is very, very good. So get your scent leaf, wash it very well, like this. Wash it very well. Then get your garlic. Don't use a whole bulb of garlic. Oh. You can use like one or two, not a whole of these. One or two is okay. Then get a little ginger. Get your ginger. Depending on the quantity of your scent leaves, yeah, it determines the amount of water you are adding, and the quantity of your ginger, and also how many garlic you are adding to it, depending on how large your tea will be. This tea, you can keep it till the next day. Yeah, it will not spoil. Just, or you can store it in your refrigerator after preparing it. So what you are going to do is that you wash your scent leaf. After washing it, you are going to boil it. Add your garlic to it. You can cut your garlic into smaller sizes. Add to it. You can peel off the outer skin of your ginger. Cut it into smaller sizes. Add to it. Boil it for like 10 to 15 minutes. After boiling it, you strain it. Then after that, you are going to take it 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup before going to bed, or you can take it 3 times a day. 3 times a day. You take it continuously, you will see changes. You see 10 changes. It is very, very effective. I say ginger, garlic, and scent leaf. Boil the three of them together. After boiling it, you strain it. After that, you take it morning and night. First thing in the morning, or after, if after having your breakfast, you are going to stay for like 1 hour before having it. But you can take it and stay like 30 minutes before having your breakfast. But you can still take it after having your breakfast. You stay like 1 hour before you have this tea, and last thing before going to bed. It is very, very effective. So guys, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any question, just leave your question in the comments below. Leave your question in the comment section. Your questions will be answered. So that is the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in my next video.